What is up, guys? Yeah, we're back on the four-wheeler today, and we're gonna be riding around our property, hopefully doing some more insane things than we did last time. And then come over here in the gravel, where there's quite literally nothing. I'm gonna do it actually. Woo! Hit the jump. This thing, I was serious. We just had to get there's some damage. That's mostly what I'm looking for while I'm up here is damage report. Damage reporting. That sounds interesting. Why did I go down? I need to go up. I'll be okay. Okay, this is where it gets sketchy here. Not trying to really go over much here. Oh, I'm not used to going up here with the four-wheeler. I'm just gonna check in on the trails, seeing if they're okay. They look okay. I think they're okay to hit, honestly. Most of them. I mean, it's not too much rain. I mean, we got a lot of rain, but there ain't much water or anything, so they look okay. They look okay. I don't know if they are okay. They look it. This is Dead Bod. We're on Dead Bod. That was a sick lap. Dyke. Next time I'll probably... Oh, you can literally go that way. So you can come up and, all right. So I'm clearly not up here much with the four-wheeler. We're not up here much. If there's some way to shuttle with the four-wheeler, that'd be sick. If there's a way to shuttle with the four-wheeler. I doubt it, but there might be a way, so. Yeah, I'm gonna try and drift. I don't know if I have enough space, but I'm gonna try. Try and go on a journey here. That's an interesting sound. That's the one. There's so many squeaky things on here. Whoa! What was that? I don't know what that was. That was weird. 1 second here. Okay, I think it's okay. I thought something like, I guess something just popped. A piece of metal or something. I don't know. Depending on, ooh, is it? I think it's too muddy actually, so I'm gonna back on out of here. There we go. There's so much bike crap and then it's just mixed in. Okay, I have got to avoid that spring because I'm getting caked in mud. No, I really don't want to be caked in mud, man. Yeah, we're going the opposite way now. This is gonna be an interesting thing because it's like, I don't know. I don't really have that many places to get like this. I need to get speed. Ah! Oh shoot! That is not where I meant to end up. Let's see how we can go about this here. Okay, we got brakes. That's pretty important. Oh, I do not want to go that way. Like, yeah, that ain't working. We're just gonna have to slowly. I don't know how to get about this. I needed to turn like yeah, that ain't working. I know exactly what I'm gonna have to do and I really don't want to do it. Okay, just gonna have to man up here. Come on, come on. There we go, there we go. Got it. Oh shoot. I don't want to back all the way down. Just enough to where I can. I'm not wanting to back all the way down. But when I let off of that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh shoot. I've got myself in quite the predicament here. This is not, I needed to, like, if I was gonna do that, I was gonna have to get the speed. And instead of, I went straight like a big doofus instead of turning. So, let's see if we can kind of get up here now. Yeah! Alright, baby, we're back in business now. Okay. Alright, we had a little predicament. We didn't have a good predicament either. But I got out of it. So, that's great. That's nice. Like, that was every bit of sick right there. I really thought, I got myself scared. I was like, I'm in trouble. I don't know what there he is. Why does he have my bike? Why do you have my bike?
It's easier to climb away.
Are you serious? I'm coming down right now. So you want to go in front and follow? I'll follow.
Oh yeah.
Don't hit anything. You get to see it when the video came out, but or it comes out. I got a pretty big predicament that I got myself into up there. Just got stuck. Not in the mud. You'll see, it's hard to explain. I what? No, I didn't run into a tree. He's gonna. Wait, hold on. This is. It died. If you didn't realize that, it died. Ah!
What are you doing?
I don't know. Is his light on? No. Yeah, I really don't know what just happened. I don't know what I was trying to do there.
Did you use the mountain lights?